My name is Luis Antonio Curtino Manan. I am 22 years old. I am from Sogamoso, Colombia. I live in Buenavista, Sogamoso. I am a potter. I study industrial engineering. My hobby is watch TV. I live with my father, my mother, my sister, and nephew. My favorite TV show is Yo Me Llamo, and my favorite sport is soccer. My family is composed of 5 people: my father, my mother, my sister, my nephew, and me. My father is Luis Curtidor. He is 67 years old. He is from Sogamoso. He is a potter. He is tall. He has brown eyes, gray hair. He is very humble person. My mother is Rosaura Naran. She is 53 years old. She is from Sogamoso. She is a housewife. She is a beautiful woman. Her hair is short and black. Her eyes are black. She is of a short stature. She is of a strong character but very loving. My sister is Carolina Curtidor. She is 25 years old. She is from Sogamoso. She is technology of Sena. She is tall brunette, black hair, brown eyes. She is an affectionate woman all around, sustained in a bad mood. My nephew is David Alonso Cáceres. He is 4 years old. He is outgoing child. He is like to be done friends, and he has black hair, light eyes. He is of straight skin.